Hey there, let's jump into the world of the Motorola Edge 50 Fusion with a fresh and engaging content that brings out the essence of this device. Hey tech family, it's a fantastic day in gadget land, and boy, do we have a treat for you. The Motorola Edge 50 Fusion has landed, and it's not just a smartphone, it's a statement. Now, I'm not just here to tell you about the specs. Oh no, we're going to experience them together. So let's unwrap this tech present and see what Motorola has cooked up for us. Starting with this dazzling 6.7-inch OLED display. It's not just any screen, it's a window to a world where colors dance at a 144 Hz refresh rate. And with 1,600 nits peak brightness, it's like having a piece of the sun in your hands. Underneath this sleek exterior lies the heart of a champion, the Snapdragon 7's Gen 2 chipset. Whether you're a gamer or a multitasker, this phone says, bring it on, and with up to 12 gigabytes RAM, it's ready for anything. Cameras? Oh, we've got cameras. A 50MP main shooter paired with a 13MP ultra-wide lens. Whether you're capturing the grandeur of landscapes or the details of a flower, this phone doesn't just take photos, it captures stories. And the battery? A robust 5,000 mAh powerhouse with 68W charging. It's like having an energy drink for your phone, quick to charge and lasts all day. Style-wise, the Edge 50 Fusion comes in forest blue, marshmallow blue, and hot pink. It's not just picking a color, it's choosing your tech personality. Which one are you? So, there you have it, folks. The Motorola Edge 50 Fusion isn't just a gadget, it's a companion for your digital journey. It's about making every moment count and doing it in style. If you're feeling the vibe of the Edge 50 Fusion, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let us know your thoughts down below. Stay awesome, stay techie, and I'll see you on the flip side.